Hello mga kababayan. Welcome to my first ever vlog. Shout out sa mga kababayan ko sa Estanza, Lingayen, Pangasinan. Charot. Feeling sikat, no? But I'm so excited to finally share with you guys my journey and experiences here in Ireland as a critical skills permit holder. So guys, if you've ever dreamed of working abroad, especially in a country that values professionals and offers a path to residency, then stay tuned because Ireland might just be for you. So, ano nga ba ang Critical Skills Employment Permit or CSEP? So, CSEP basically is a type of work visa offered by the Irish government to attract highly skilled professionals like people in the fields of IT, engineering, healthcare, finance, and more. And Filipinos who qualify for this program get the chance to work full-time in Ireland and earn competitive salaries, and even apply for permanent residency just after 2 years. Yes, 2 years lang po, pwede na po kayong mag-apply ng permanent residency here in Ireland. Now, bakit Ireland? Well, for me, aside from the beautiful scenery and friendly people, it's an English-speaking country, so there's no language barrier. You don't have to study Spanish, French, German. Plus, there's a growing Filipino community here, especially in Dublin. Actually, marami na akong na-meet na taga Pangasinan. So, plus. Marami sa ating mga kababayan are now working as nurses, engineers, IT professionals, social workers. Actually, 6 pa lang kami dito na Filipino social workers, and accountants, teachers under this permit CSEP. And Ireland needs more skilled workers. And Filipinos are known for being hardworking, dedicated, and compassionate. Kaya gustong-gusto nila ng mga Pilipino. When I first started this journey, I was scared. You have no idea how scared I was. And I had doubts. Just like you might have right now. But stepping out of my comfort zone changed my life completely. If there's one thing I want you to take from this vlog, it's this. You are capable, you are skilled, and your dreams are valid. Don't be afraid to explore what's possible, because Ireland might be your next chapter. Guys, thank you for watching my first ever vlog. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe because I'll be sharing more about life here in Ireland. Thank you guys. Love you all.